How to download Genshin Impact on your PC. So to download Genshin Impact, you need to have this thing called Epic's Launcher. And for Epic Launcher, you can open up your browser and search for Epic Games Launcher. Once you search for it, click on Download Epic Games Launcher. From this website, you can click on Install on Windows, download and install Epic Games, and then create yourself an account and open this up. Once you're in this page, what you can do is click on Search Store, and over here you can just search for Genshin Impact. Genshin, Genshin. Once I write this, it's going to show me Genshin Impact. I can click on it and Genshin Impact is going to be shown up over here. So let's wait for some time. Once it shows up, you can click on Get. Once you're over here, click on Place Order and your order will be placed. Now it's a free game, so it doesn't matter whatever you do, okay? Once it's done, it's going to be on your library. Now click on View in Library. Once you're over here, you can just click on this button and it'll start to install. Once it installs, you can open up Epic Games and your game is going to be available over here, right under here. You can click on it, start using it. That's basically how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.